In this lesson, we will learn how social media search engine works. This is very important for SEO. Most SEO tutorials are not covering this particular topic. I wanted to emphasize on it. We already saw the importance of understanding AI search engines rather from a traditional search engine. Now I want to show the importance of understanding social media search, and this is very important for SEO. I will let you know. For example, in a traditional search, you go and search for something, and when you click on search, like in Google, you are very familiar with these sort of results. It will give you a certain like list of top pages with titles, link. You will get when you type for something very broad, you might end up with anything like a directory from a blog, from a website. Anything can come into this play. When you go with social media search, this is where it gets interesting. What happens here is, when you click on search, it's no longer the traditional organized vetted top 10 ranking you get with search engines. It's almost a completely different algorithms, completely different way of getting all the information. For example, when you search the same search query, you're no longer going to find websites, but instead you are going to be finding posts, videos, reels, listicles, all this kind of information you might find it. For example, most of the information will be very recent. Like social media don't like always show very old content to the people. They want to keep that fresh. So you might find something 2 hours ago with a post. Tags comes into play, engagement metrics like likes, shares, all the thing. It might show a trending post, it might show a post from an influencer on that particular niche, and it will show that particular post, all this details, and a location based post also. If they have a Facebook page or Instagram page, all these things comes into play. Like, this is very important in SEO. As I mentioned, the reason is most Gen Z people or people who are born after 2K, even my wife, what happens is, when she wants to search for something like a parlor or something, they are not going to go into the traditional way of looking into Google or even ask AI search engines. They are going to go into the social media search engines. So it's no longer about only social media marketing, it is doing SEO for social media. So when you create a social media pages, social media post also, when you are learning SEO, you should know SEO is a multi-channel approach. You should be doing SEO for web search engines, AI search engines, and also for social media. So like when we compare both this will make that clear explanation on why you should be doing SEO for social media also. Like with traditional, it's only about organized content, verified information, as I told you. Like when Google has 10,000 web pages talking about the same content, which web page is to show front. So that is comes into organization verified. With social media, it's all about user generated content, UCG, or it is a real time content, people sharing what they feel, what they're creating posts. So when we are creating posts, we should be aware of all this to get the ranking on social media. And traditional search, we all know the relevance authority comes into play. When we learned about how search engine works, we saw crawling, indexing, all the ranking, all the steps that comes into play with traditional search engines. But in social media search, trending comes into play, what people are talking about, what people are engaging about, and engagement comes into play. Any sort of metrics can come into play, something like likes, reshares, repost, comments, favorite, bookmark, pinning it, anything comes into like how many people are engaging with this particular post or with the particular content on a social media. Results format, with we know with traditionals always about website, a list of link, description. With social media search, it's all about post, photos, videos, stories, reels, whatever the thing that social media platform allows you to do it. So depending on that particular social media, the content also will be differing here. The intent, this is where the primary differences lies in. I want to emphasize it. I will make this point much clear in advanced series in this video. Like finding specific search information as the search engine query. Like you go into Google, type for something, you are looking to find a specific set of information or specific set of results. With social media search, it's almost like discovering or exploring. Like you are going there, you are trying to explore it, learn about things, see the results, see the videos, all the way you're on an exploration mode. So you should to know this differences, because this is matters for your business, especially during your SEO. SEO is no longer about doing SEO for search engine for Google. It is about doing SEO for AI. It is also doing SEO for social media, because so many statistics reports are showing many people, younger generation, are not even using search engines. They are not even using AI, they are just using social media search engines. So when they come into social media search engines, they know that they want to find the information they are looking on search engine, not search engine, social media. So when you are creating all the doing SEO for your business or website, you should also make sure to do SEO in social media also. That way your business, website or brand will be much more discoverable in social media also. So I hope this lesson covers the importance of understanding social media search for SEO. In the next lesson, I will focus on how you can future proof your SEO, because you want to make sure that you are not just doing SEO for the current time, but you should be safer in future with so many technologies are changing. So in that video lesson, I will talk on that. If you have any doubts in this particular lesson, let me know in the comment and I will answer it for you.